arm check, speed stick, arm check, speed stick, summer arm, arm check, arm check.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy. Hold on, you now wonder what me there again. See me, man? Right there, so you know see me? Right there, so. Right there, so, man. Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to episode 26 of the questions. And right now we're back in Ocho Rios. You get to me and say, the people must say, yo, we need to come back at Ocho Rios. And what you know, we're there now. You get to me and say, with a revisit. Yeah, and you don't know as usual, the vibe's nice, the place nice, people are walking up all about. Yeah, my general. Aye, yeah, as you can see, the vibe's there. So what you know? You know, as usual, we can't wait for move, so. Alright, first thing I do, you don't know, just give me a name.
Tamaya.
Denny.
Jeta.
Wayne.
Patch. Junior. Amma.
What?
Amma.
Where you get that name?
Eh? From my gangster friend them. Kemar Nelson.
Nelson?
Yeah.
Nelson, my last name, you know, man?
Me know.
Oh, yeah.
Ramon. Caesar.
Caesar?
Yeah.
Where you get that name then?
You know, so a girl then give me though. Yeah.
Yeah, Caesar girl them.
Long time I could have I can't nothing else. So what's good for Caesar? Yeah, what is due to Caesar, give to Caesar.
Alright, my boss. Justin.
First class entertainment.
PJ. Sean, my name, man.
Winston Francis was nutty. You know, say, I might call this a third though. Just some for big up cash, you see me? The first love when me lost, some grandmother gone and my brother dead. Oh, try to see me out with, yo, promise move.
Dimitri Lotian. Sasha.
10 copycats sitting on a boat, right? Yeah. And one jump off. How many are left?
9 of them left.
10 copycat.
Yeah.
And one jump off.
Yeah. How many are left?
10 copycat. They on a boat.
Yeah.
One jump off. How many left?
Yeah.
One. Yeah.
How come?
Because him the only one left the boat. Him left. Oh, that's the copycat. One jump off. So therefore him alone left.
Out of 9 left. One jump off, nothing to say. Yeah, one jump off.
You sure say 9?
So you mean almost 9 left?
That is a murder!
10 copycat jump.
Sit down on a boat. One jump off. How many are left?
9. Yes, 10 copycat left on a boat.
Yeah.
And one jump off.
Yeah, how many are left?
How much left? Almost 9.
9.
9?
Yeah.
Oh, is that sure?
Sure, man. If I 10 and one bar left, must left 9.
9.
9.
10 copycat on a boat.
Yeah.
One jump off. How many left?
None.
How much left?
None.
Of them are copycat.
2. All of them are copycat.
None now go left. Because all of them are copycat. So if one jump off, all of them are going to jump off behind.
9.
9. Oh, you get 9?
No. 10 and 9 and 1 are 10. You could have said, yeah, 9 and 1 are 10. Anywhere you do it. 9 and 1 are just 10. So take 1 from 10, you left 9.
You know what you're wrong?
Oh.
Because at 10 copycat. So if one copycat jump off, all of them are jump off.
All right.
You understand it?
Yeah.
None left. Because all of them are copycat.
Alright, my boss.
None.
Yeah. Why?
Because all of them are copycat.
None.
None.
Eh?
None.
Why you say that?
Because all of them are copy we want to do.
So all of them are jump off too.
10 copycat, right? Sit down on a boat. And one jump off. How many are left?
0.
0. How you get 0?
Catch one jump off. Some others left none. 0.
So one jump off.
Yeah.
That's what you mean, like?
Catch you have a figure 10.
Yeah.
1 0.
Yeah.
So one jump off left 0. Yeah, that's how I get it.
Cool. Alright, my boss. Alright, next one, right? If 2 are company, right? And 3 is a crew, what's 4 and 5?
4 and 5. 2 a company.
Yeah. 2 are company, 3 is a crew. What's 4 and 5?
But I don't know, I pass. I pass.
What's 4 and 5? Man?
4 and 5? No, 4 and 5.
4 and 5. 4 are like say a gang, then and 5 are say a worker. Like what we say a work. Yeah. Thing.
They say no one there.
That one there bust my brain.
They say your brain a bust too?
2 are company.
Yeah.
3 is a crew.
Yeah.
What's 4 and 5?
Yeah.
Bomba, third eye, panawana, Alright. 3 are company. 2 are?
2 are company.
2 are company, eh? And
3 is a crew. What's 4 and 5?
crowd.
Eh?
Crowd.
Me see now. Right now one they have me now. Me I tell you the truth, that one they have me. You can't give me answer. Just give me answer.
You see, you want the answer?
Yeah man.
The answer?
Numbers, but I know. But I know what to say.
Follow her.
Eh?
Follow her.
Boat. Yeah, my
Listen me.
boss. Yeah, my boss.
Boat.
Boat.
Yeah.
Listen again, you know. If 2 are company, right? And 3 is a crew, what's 4 and 5?
4 and 5. Me and you.
Me and you?
No. Me don't know. That one I beat me bad.
2 are crew and 3 are company. 4 and 5.
What's 4 and 5? Yes, I'm Jenna.
Valera.
Yo, my boss. Up.
No know that one.
4 and 5 and 9, man.
Oh,
That's 4 and 5. Alright.
What is it now? Can't get me here.
If 2 are company and 3 is a crew, what's 4 and 5?
9.
Eh?
9.
2 are company. 3 are crew.
Yeah, what's 4 and 5?
Enemy.
No!
4 and 5, 9.
Dave is 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop and wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
what does Dave wear?
Wear.
Wear?
Yeah.
Now I got no much in wear.
The question they look a bit hard for you still now. I don't understand still.
You don't understand? You want me to say it over?
Yeah.
Up, me G. There, man. Yeah. Listen again, right? Dave is 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop, right? And wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
No.
See now, me see now. You over tall? In total?
He's 6 foot tall, you know. He work in a butcher shop and wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
That about 150.
About 150?
100.
Why you say that?
Eh?
Why you say that?
No height. So you know maybe in height,
Yeah.
they can wear 150.
Wear?
I can't know when we wear size 9 shoes, so I can't know when we wear.
120 pounds, I was saying.
120?
Yeah.
Why you say that?
Swim tall, you know?
Yeah. Tall.
And him foot big.
Yeah. So around 120 in weight?
Yeah. Yo, I don't know that one.
Eh? You can't give up so easy, man.
Yo, Jnel, I don't know that one.
What is him weight?
Yeah. What does Dave weigh?
Him weighs and weight.
In weigh? What does Dave weigh?
We don't understand that. We say him weight and him weight.
Yeah, he wear size 9 shoes and he work in a butcher shop.
Yeah.
What does Dave weigh?
We in a scale.
Yeah.
Like him weight.
Yeah.
Would I say size 9?
Boy, if you don't get...
Wait, 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
Wear size 9 shoes.
Yeah, work in a butcher shop.
When we?
What does Dave weigh?
6 foot tall. I don't know that now. Repeat that again.
Dave 6 foot tall, right?
Yeah.
Work in a butcher shop and wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave weigh?
No meat.
Me.
Yeah.
Cooler man, you get that one there, you know?
So you're saying Dave 6 foot tall?
Yeah. Work in a butcher shop.
I work in a butcher shop.
And he wear size 9 shoes.
Size 9 shoes.
Yeah, what does Dave weigh?
What does meat?
Eh?
When we?
Yeah.
Meat. Yeah.
Alright, cooler man.
Alright.
Must meet. Can work in a butcher shop.
Dave is 6 foot tall, right? And work in a butcher shop. And wear size 9. What does Dave weigh?
130.
130?
Yeah.
How you get that?
Cause to me tell us say me we are 115 so
Yeah.
I'm in a 6 feet tall so. Yeah man.
Like how him a 6 feet.
Yeah, and he wear size 9, I mean I wear size 9.
Yeah.
So me know him about 130 as me tell you, yeah.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 26. So please remember that June the 22nd, which is next week, Saturday, at the second stage in of a water party, which is Contest the Water. You get me the information and got it on the screen right now. So I want you guys to come out, you get me and show with the support. You understand? If I see you at the party, just hail me or Buhn and anyone away out of the crew. Just hail me and say, yo, Jnel, we there, big up yourself. You get me and say, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe. And after you subscribe, click the notification bell, because when I click the notification bell, as the video go up, you get it. But if you subscribe, you don't get it immediately, so you're gonna get it late. You get me? I say, I know you don't want to get it late. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Jnel official_1. That's JNEL official_1. And also follow Buhn too, because I in my video thing from them time till now, from long time. You get me? I say BUHN_reaction. That's Buhn_reaction. I never say bull. I say Buhn_reaction. You don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching. Remember to come at the party. And I'm out.